Everybody fucking jump!
Alright everybody, welcome back to the Ozone. Let's get this show on the road, get you guys a little bit of box action, let it focus. Get the light out of the way. This shoe reads the Air Jordan 1 Low Cardinal Red, Light Curry, and White. Let's check it out together. I haven't taken this shoe out of the box since I bought them. I have two pairs of this shoe. This is my staring pair, so we'll get this into the staring collection. Materials are okay, seems to be all leather front. Right back panel, red bottom, red swoosh, normal Jordan Air logo on the back. I'll give you guys a little bit of close up on that. Not a bad Jordan 1 Low. I think these are retailing for like 90 to 100 bucks. I don't know what the resale is. I think the resale might be a little bit more like $1.20, but since shoes are doing so bad right now, you should be able to pick these up if you really want them for the summer. I believe that you could style this shoe with just about anything. I'll give you guys a close up with a gold Jumpman on the tongue. White and gold insole. Materials are okay. Like I said, I've seen worse Jordan materials, seen better. These are about medium level. No tumbled leather. Quality on the shoe is overall, like I said, good. Seeing just a couple mistakes on my shoe. Look like it's a little bit of lenties. Nothing serious. It's a good shoe. I really don't like low sneakers. I picked up two pairs of these just because I know I can match this with a lot of outfits this summer. I would find, like I said, these and size 13 sitting, so there's no problem really. Alright, let me give you guys a look at what the shoe's going to look like on your feet. We wrap this one up. Let me know what shoes you guys want to see on the channel next. Let me know what shoes you're buying. Everybody make sure you stay safe. Have a nice day.
Everybody fucking jump!